This is the intro to the car video. Boop, 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 boop.
All right, today's project, take apart the H22 Slave Cylinder. I pulled this off the old engine I had that had, I think it was like 280,000 miles on it or something. But anyway, got it apart, kind of cleaned it up a little bit, took the spring out, took the little plunger deal out, all that out. So what I'm going to try to do is I noticed inside is all rusted. So I built this fancy contraption here. I'm going to put that in the drill press with some Scotch-Brite pads and jam it in the hole and spin it in there for a good minute or two and hopefully clean up the sputs in there. And yeah, I'm going to paint it and yeah, I think that'll be it. So I'll go put it in the drill press now, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. It's Operation Sketchy. Let's give this a try. It's kind of not bad, I guess. I don't know. I don't think it's going to get any better than that, but I don't know. Let me put this down and try it without holding a cell phone like an idiot. So I put the thing in a vise, cleaned it up with wire wheel, and yeah, gonna put some paint on it and mask off the holes so it doesn't get in the threads there, and put it back together, and I'll show you what it looks like on the car. I got the little actuator and the spring in there, and look what it does. It hold a second, can't do this with two hands, one hand. Oh, for crap's sake. Yeah, look, it's in there. Doesn't come back. Oh, for crap's sake. Demo fail. Anyway, it's in there. It works. It's all not crusty anymore, so yeah. All right, ignore the last part. That was dumb. So yeah, it pushing the little thing in there. It returns. It's crusty and it's fixed. All right, that's what it looks like with the coat of that on it. It's all glossy. What the crap? Focus! Focus. Be good. Oh, it's because it's shiny. Oh, for crap's sake. Eh? Oh, for crap's sake. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's all nice. It's going to get a coat of the VHT clear and wait for it to dry. So yeah. All right, the time is later. It's dry. Put it back together. Put my little AN fitting on there. Made it all nice, and it's wiggles, and yep, it works. I'm going to put it on the car now and show you what that looks like. And click. And click. And that's what you get here. It's a project that would have taken a normal person about 20 minutes. Took me about an hour and a half screwing around and making stuff look nifty. So, yep, that's the end of that one.